What's up guys, welcome to a new video on Rasoi Saga, and today we are exploring street food once again in Namma HSR. HSR is a very popular area in Bangalore. It has a lot of food variety that you can explore, and we are exploring today 5 street food carts that you can check out in HSR layout. Let us start with the first one, and if you guys can see where I'm standing, that is in the middle of the road. You guys should like, share, subscribe to the video. Let's go and find out more about some lip-smacking street food in HSR layout. Buttery kulchas and chole are ready from Sri Balaji Chaat's Chole Kulche today. This is our first stop on the Rasoi Saga food trail in HSR, and honestly guys, I'm just diving into this. So there were 2 kulches on this plate, but I finished one, and this will cost you 70 bucks. This has a pretty interesting flavor. The kulche are super soft. The chole, I do expect them to be a little more spicy and carry a bit more flavor. Though they are provided with a little bit of pickle and onions and lemon on this side. But as far as I'm concerned, I like it to be a little more spicy, so maybe that would be better. Otherwise, it's really good. Two kulche, chole with the salad on side for 70 bucks. I think it's a steal deal, and I think you guys must try it. And if you're unable to come down here, you can order it online through Hokart India and enjoy the chole kulche at home. Next stop for the day is Maamen Paratha and Momo Center, which is located opposite the Ramraj Cotton Showroom in Sector 1 of SSR layout. Don't worry guys, I'll be putting in all the exact Google Map links in the description below, so you guys have no problem in searching the cart. So this cart sells a variety of items, as you guys can see. They have parathas, they have Chinese items like fried rice, noodles. They also have momos and rolls and gobi manchurian soups. Oh my god, I'm just tired saying it. And they are actually making all of this in this cart. So I'm going to try some of the items and let you guys know how it is. You guys stay tuned and keep enjoying the video. सर, आपका नाम?
मोहन कुमार।
आप कितना ओल्ड है आपका ये कार्ट?
मैम 1.5 साल हो चुका है।
ओके।
अभी वो कार्ट से जुड़े हुए तकरीबन 6 महीने करीब हो।
6 महीने हो चुका है। आप ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी भी कर रहे हैं और ऑफलाइन भी कस्टमर आते हैं?
जी मैम।
ग्रेट। तो आपके यहाँ पे बेस्ट सेलिंग आइटम्स कौन सा है?
हमारे पास वैसे तो बहुत सारी आइटम है, उसमें से मैं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बताना चाहूँगा कि जैसे कि नूडल हो गया, एग राइस हो गया, चिकन राइस हो गया, और आपका चिकन चिल्ली हो गया, गोभी हो गया, बहुत सारा आइटम है।
तो ये सब आपका बेस्ट सेलिंग आइटम्स है?
जी मैम।
ग्रेट। और आपके कार्ट का टाइमिंग्स हमारे व्यूअर्स को बता दीजिए।
जी मैम, मॉर्निंग 11:30 टू इवनिंग 9:30।
ओह ग्रेट। मॉर्निंग 11:30 टू इवनिंग 9:30, तो बहुत टाइम है। कभी भी आके आप यहाँ पे ये डेलिकेसीज एंजॉय कर सकते हैं।
जी मैम, जरूर।
ठीक है, अभी हम आपके कुछ आइटम्स टेस्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू। ओके गाइस, सो वी आर ट्राइंग द चिकन फ्राइड मोमोज एट Maamen Paratha Momo Center. Oh man, how I love momos. This has a pretty unique flavor. I really like the sauce. It's quite spicy, just like an ideal momo sauce should be. The filling is spot on and the fried momo is lovely. I love it. So a plate of 8 chicken fried momos will cost you 90 rupees. Totally worth it. You guys can try that and a lot of other varieties that they have available on this cart. Today I'm trying only this, but you guys can try much more right here at this cart.
Sri Kabalamma 99 variety dosa is another fascinating cart to check out in HSR layout. They are open from 5:30 pm to 11 pm every day of the week so that you guys can enjoy their fascinating and huge variety of crispy and delicious dosas.
आपका नेम?
संजय कुमार गुप्ता।
आपका ये कार्ट कितना ओल्ड है?
ओल्ड मतलब
कितना पुराना है?
अभी तो 10 दिन हुआ।
ये कार्ट आपका 10 दिन पुराना है। ओके, सो न्यू कार्ट है। ओके ओके, अच्छा। तो आपके यहाँ पे क्या बेस्ट सेलिंग क्या आइटम्स एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं ऑडियंस?
मसाला पूरी, भेल पूरी, सेव पूरी, दही पूरी,
ओके ओके,
समोसा चाट है, कचौरी चाट है, कटलेट मसाला है, वड़ा पाव है और ब्रेड पकौड़ा है।
बहुत एक्साइटेड है आपके फूड को ट्राई करने के लिए। थैंक यू। So we are here at the Kolkata UP Chaat stall in Sector 7 HSR layout. You guys can easily figure out the place because of the hustle bustle that is created in the evenings. We are here and we are trying the dahi puri, which looks absolutely appetizing. Wow. Wow. Absolutely love it, guys. This is so good. The dahi puri is highly recommended, you guys. It is absolutely fabulous. It is filled with flavor. And oh my god, I just had 2 and I love it. So let us go ahead with the next item, which is the aloo tikki chaat. Oh my god, I love aloo tikki, you guys. This is hot, piping, fresh, and I am so excited to try this. Let us dig into some aloo tikki. That's a pretty unique flavor. I was expecting it to be a little bit, sweet and spicy, a mix of both. But this is a little bit more on the spicy side. I don't mind it, but I would like it to be a little more balanced. But it's pretty good. हाँ, आपका नाम?
शशि कुमार।
ओके, विनायक टिफिन सेंटर कितना ओल्ड है? कितना पुराना कार्ट है?
8 years है मैम।
8 years ओल्ड कार्ट, ठीक है। तो आपके यहाँ पे स्पेशल आइटम्स कौन सा है जो व्यूअर्स ट्राई कर सकते हैं?
हमारे पास तो वो सर्विस स्पेशल है, इडली वड़ा तो फेमस है।
इडली वड़ा यहाँ का फेमस है, और कुछ?
और लेमन राइस, पूड़ी वगैरह, पुलाव, वेजिटेबल बात।
वाह, सो सब बेस्ट सेलिंग आइटम्स है। तो आपके कार्ट का टाइमिंग क्या है? टाइमिंग्स?
मॉर्निंग तो 7 to 11:30 12 o'clock है।
Okay.
इवनिंग 6 to 10 o'clock है।
ओह, ओके ओके।
वाह बहुत अच्छे.
You can't get exhausted eating street food, just like I'm not exhausted exploring all of the street food carts today in HSR layout. And I have landed on my last stop today, which is Sri Vinayaka Tiffin Center. It is a little bit of a complicated location. You guys would have to enter a lane, but it is bang on the corner of the lane and you can find it very easily. They have some lip smacking idli dosa, vada, chutney and bhajis here, and I'm diving into the idli. Oh my god. This is superb. The idli is super fluffy and the chutney, it is a peanut chutney. I have not had a chutney like this. It is so good. The best part about it is 4 pieces of idli with chutney and sambar is 30 bucks. Yes guys, you heard me right. You have to try Vinayaka Tiffin Center. From today, I am a big fan of the idlis. Wow. They have also very kindly given me some of their freshly fried vadas that I'm again going to try with this chutney because I love it. This is hot, fresh, super crunchy, and the flavor is bang on. I love it. I'm definitely visiting again. And honestly, on lazy days, I'm just ordering from Hokart India, which I think you guys should also do. This is superb, guys. So that is the end, guys, today on the HSR Food Trail in Namma, Bengaluru. And we had a great time shooting all of this stupendous street food carts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, virtually like it with the like button right below the video. Subscribe to Rasoi Saga and share it with your street food loving friends. Now, if you can't visit all of these carts physically to HSR, you can order them online on Swiggy or Zomato through Hokart India. Just search for Hokart on Swiggy or Zomato and you'll get the location for all of these carts and you can order them online, enjoy the food at home. So yeah, all of the stuff, all of the links are in the description. Enjoy, like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.